the dance we know. Green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go. Cash that wave and let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead. Tick tock on the trading clock. Price jumps higher, don't be shocked. Moji rolling round the block. Riches knocking, this is rock. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead. Hustle hard in the morning light, shots are ticking through the night. Moji's got that golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, the dance we know. Green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go. Cash that wave and let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another live trade session. Today is Thursday, January 16th. It's 9:23. My name is Moji. We got Cloud on the line today. What's up, Cloud?
What's up, Mo? How you doing today, man?
Doing good. I've been in the long since where it was at about 9:10. So far, it's risk free. It's up right now about 30 points. We are close to open, so I will be moving my stop up to, let's see, what do I want to move it to? I'll move it to 90, to 490. It might take me out here, but that's all right. It's a good long to take before the open. Overall today, I'm going to be looking for the longs. If we can get above this level, above the 500s and stay above them, then I'll be looking for the longs all day. If we fail to get above here at the open, or after the open, around 10:30, then I won't necessarily look short, but it'll probably be more of a scalp day. But the bigger moves I see are the longs. Okay, I'm out of this trade, but I got a good 30, no, sorry, more than that. Yeah, a good 30 points out of it just before open. Very happy. Now I can relax while the open is going on and not have to rush into any trades. So this was my entry right here. This is a textbook entry right there. You had price go into the cheap box. You had the green money zone held, algo candles are green. You had a green Gabby button, which is right there. The what's that called? The surge, opposite surge. That's that green lines you see here, and the green line up top. The middle line at the time was showing the probability was good for the longs, and you had the pullback do I'm going to call it clouds one of clouds many triggers when the plot line and that other line from the pullback both turn green at the same time from the bottom. You just enter, get your TP1, and then you just trail your trade.
All right, to give you a little update right now, we are sitting right at 6,000 on ES. Right here at on YM, we're right above the previous weekly high. On Nasdaq, we're so close to 21,500 right before open. These psych levels can play as either trampolines or severe roadblocks. I don't know. I mean, let's see what the open gives us. We also had news today at 8:30. We had core retail sales. We had unemployment claims. So the unemployment claims actually came in. Hold on, let me refresh this. I'm so sorry. The forecast was 210. The actual was 217. The retail sales forecast was 60 basis points. The actual was 40 basis points. Let's see. 2 minutes left. We have open, you guys.
All right, so while we're waiting for the open, let me just. Yesterday we had some questions about these labels, and I just want to go over them again real quick. When you see a red prove it, that's usually a sign that it might be an opportunity for a short. Other stuff needs to line up for confirmation, but think of it more as a heads up for an idea. Can the market prove the shorts want to play out? In this case here, it did not. You can see how we were already in the cheap box. We couldn't get out of the cheap box, so this prove it failed. Then you had this green triangle here. That's a proved triangle, right? That means you can think of it this way, that the thought is proved. It's a higher probability that the longs will work out. And in this case, if everything in your trigger was there and you saw this and you took a long, you would have had your TP1 and then you could still be in it until now. All right, so we got DC on. Let's get DC on here. Hey, good morning, DC.
Morning, guys. Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
Very good. Okay. Very good.
So DC, if I
Alright,
just
we're about to open.
yeah, just so you're all caught up, I took a long, so did Cloud, about 9:10 off of this beautiful setup that you have for us. We had green algo candles go into the green money zone.
Okay. You had that entry. I had the entry earlier on it around 45.
Yes, right here. I'm
Yeah,
just showing everybody
that's
on
one.
it.
Yeah.
So that was one opportunity. I wasn't on then. This was another one, and I took this one. So you can see, same setup, two 2 possible entry points to get your points. And we
Beautiful
are
entries.
open. We are officially open right now. Okay, price is pushing down. Not unexpected. This over here.
Let her come down. Let her come down.
Let me see.
That 500 didn't hold, like I said. Neither did that 6,000 on ES.
Got a 1 minute money zone there.
Mm-hmm.
You guys can see it. I'll just switch charts. So this is the 1 minute chart you're seeing on your screen now. This is the 1 minute money zone right here inside the cheat box. This candle coloring on this chart is called I call it IVD candle color. Let me get you the right name. It is the initial volume distribution. When Adam is on, or if DC wants to tackle that, he can explain later what that means. Or you can always ask the question in the Discord to get the answers right away from other people in the community as well. So we're starting to break through that 1 minute, starting to flip. And this is a 30-second chart. I'll go over this dashboard again. You see Apple is red at the open. I think I'm going to switch Amazon for NVIDIA.
My NVIDIA calls that I gave out on live 2 days ago are up 46%, by the way.
You can see ES just
Very
flipped
nice.
red.
Okay, that's a little bit bearish. That's a little bit of a bearish statement we have here.
ATR is 13.
On the 30-second, right?
30-second, yes, 30-second.
Okay.
And let's see, on the 1 minute, it is not there.
Around 15 around.
Scrunch this up so people can see.
I'm all up.
Good.
I want to take a massive trim of those NVIDIA calls. They're at 46%. I'm taking a massive trim. I was down bad on them yesterday. Now I'm finally green.
Here 400 should hold if we are to be bullish bias wise.
Wait for it.
There you go, green.
Oh, I like it above 450.
Let me see a little bit of okay, not too bad, not too bad.
Um,
50, come on.
I want a little lower on Nasdaq, just a little lower. I think I'm gonna try it.
Let's see if this time we can stay out or we will just range around this important 400 level. Looks like we want to range. Looks like we want to range.
The battle here.
Hmm.
Let's see who can win. Above above 450, I really love it. We really need to get above 450, honestly. If we can't get above 450 now, might have to wait. Okay. Okay, 10 points above 450. Let's see if we can keep pushing. Yeah, 450 is my entry. I had a limit order sitting there. Like I said, I liked it above 450. I'm gonna treat this as a scalp only because I think we're still trending kind of short potentially, based off what we've been seeing in the market during open for New York. We've seen some strong pushes down, strong pushes up, but majority we've seen stronger pushes down. So let's see if we can get above this 500 again. We have a 1 minute money zone, bearish 1 minute money zone right here. This 1 minute money zone we haven't flipped yet. We haven't flipped it yet. Mo and DC, y'all flat?
Flat for now, yes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be flat soon too.
I wanna see how bad we're ranging at the open.
Both YM and ES look like they're pushing down now as well too.
Liking it, liking it.
420 gonna be flat. Flat. Took an L on that trade right there.
Come on, stay below 420. I hate ranging the most, I just want a statement, you know?
Yeah.
Either we stay above 420 and we trend up, or we stay below and we trend down. It's like... pick a side, pick a side.
Is this choppy? What is this saying here? Nope, it's not. Oh, okay. TPOs are red for now.
You're right. Okay, Mark. Okay. Okay.
What are the strict handles? Anyway, let me check that. Check
The strict handles are red. Scope is red. Oh, sheesh. YM and ES are strongly pushing down.
Yeah.
So this 420 mentorship knows what's what with 420, and 400 is also yesterday's close and another mentorship stuff which I cannot talk about. Very strong level of support. Of course, we cannot expect with everything being red even for it to break like that. So there's gonna be traffic in this area, not to mention that the lovely, wonderful POC is at 440. So it's a whole area of messy stuff that even if the bears are in control, they have to chew through.
Weekly level here is at 378. Let's see what happens.
352 is the low of day.
C
It's
Cloud.
not very far.
C Cloud. Remember what I told you? If at open, if this session couldn't get above
500.
the 500 area, like
Yeah.
that we would head down.
And like that's what I was feeling about ES at that 6,000 level. I was like, there's no way that this can be long. Long right now at the open when we have ES is at 6,000, Nasdaq at 500.
Yep. And just like DC was saying, if we stay below 400, that to me that's a bearish statement.
360 is starts the most cheap area.
Bulls are like they're trying to step in, but I don't know if it's enough.
Let's see, 10 minutes until new 4 hour. Let me get some levels for why this is the cheapest as 432. 432 starts.
So yes, Jason. Before open, uh, on this chart, there was a long here um, that I took, and I think Cloud took. Right now, you know, I did not enter short. I don't think anybody else did on the call yet. So yeah, I agree with you, Horatio. Also, I want to see. I want the new 4 hour to present new context for us on the chart.
That 420 that DC called out is approaching soon. Look to see if we look to see a breakdown there. If we don't, we should get a quick little push to 450. Should. We're at a very key area.
Strict candles are red, that's big too.
Are they?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Come on. Let's break down this 350.
What you looking for, DC?
Right now, not much. I'm not very biased long anymore, obviously. But shorts are expensive.
New 4 hour in 5 minutes.
Yeah, 4 minutes, yeah.
And we also have news too.
Like who said? South said the last minutes before a new 4 hour are very important if we see a strong push, but not seeing it so far.
No, we're very close where the low has been. So I mean, IVD
So-
candles are red. Background is gray. TPO is red. However, the strict candles did click off.
They
And
did?
Yeah. On the 1 minute.
On the one
On the 1 minute.
on
That was-
conservative?
Let me double check for you. Let me see what they are. Aggressive.
Wait. There we go. Okay.
Nothing knew if I was gonna bring in some bad news. Yeah, it's pushing us down.
Bad news for the Bulls or what?
Bad news for the Bulls.
Poor Cloud, everybody.
Yeah, poor clown is right.
Why is this
At least I'm not going against you this time.
one?
I think this 4 hours is gonna be a huge, what you call it, with a huge wick on the upside. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Okay, low of day. Very good.
Okay, that's what I. Anybody seen anything? I mean, obviously we had a little push up here, but any setups you're waiting for?
Just waiting a few more minutes. We're still very early into this 4 hour. And background just turned red like Horatio wanted.
Sorry. There you go. Yep. So you guys can see it. Well, if the shift down usually means there's a new 4 hour, so therefore it's giving you new context of where expensive boxes are and where cheap boxes are.
I imagine Adam is only looking long.
No way.
Nice. So that's where the bulls are.
It's funny. As soon as you said Adam's looking long, we had a big spike.
Right?
Yeah, I could put that on my chart so you guys can see the 5 second evidence line.
Cloud, you're gonna be bad with me if I'm trying a short soon. He's not even answering.
No. That's how mad he'll be.
That's like, I'm not speaking to you, man. What's wrong with you going short?
Actually, I want to do it here.
There's that 420 again reacting.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't catch it. Now it would be like a 15-point stop if you wanted to go short. If you're fast enough. Perfect setup to money zone on the 30 wants to flip, so scratch that. Or not. Okay.
It wants to play with our emotions. That's what it wants.
I'm totally emotionless. Two times 30 seconds wanted to flip and ended up not flipping. It's worth a shot. My entry is at 415, stop is at 427. Let's see.
I'm in with you. TP1 was hit. Risk free.
Just going to break even. Don't like how it's moving.
I'm in one
My
micro.
TP area would be around 70. Ooh,
That was nice.
You do have to love it when you're right. But we have a little bit of an obstacle here.
Yeah. ATR is climbing, which is, if you're in a short, is kind of what you want to see.
POC shifted lower, which is also what you want to see. No guarantees though.
Mhm.
Let's secure some profit. If we go above 400, then we should be out. Trade is almost up, what, 40 points? Not bad.
Mhm.
I'll take it.
I'll take those all day. And now we just got a Gabby sell button. So let's see if another little push down will happen.
We just have to stop listening to this perma-bulls type of characters on this
Yeah.
stream, and everything will be alright.
Or you just trade by colors. I mean,
Yep,
I don't
yep,
know.
yep.
You're like, oh, you know, the longs. Okay. After all this red stuff, then I'll look long.
Very nice. Very quick little scalpy scalp.
No, sorry, you are banned. Yes, I have the ability to ban people in the chat, so just be aware.
It means you are that famous already.
Yep, you've been banned.
If you have the power to attract bad characters, then you are famous already.
No, not you, Sal. You're not banned. Somebody else is banned. Not today. You're right,
Safe
Sal.
for today.
Yeah, there's always tomorrow.
Okay, so 50 points hit over on mine. I hope Mo also. I think he entered a little bit later than I did.
Yeah, I almost tapped 50 points.
Okay, that's good. Nice trade.
Mhm.
There's again those buyers at 70,
Mhm.
creating a ruckus.
Oh wow, I survived that big push. Nice. Very nice.
Once we're able to get through, if we're able to get through those, I'm out. Buyers at 70, we should go down nicely.
I'm out. That was a nice trade. I like that one.
Out on the trade, but was very, very relaxed, very calm trade. It moved in our favor immediately, which we always like to see. Entry was spot on. Now I'm not interested in retaking it again because the entry will be much lower, but the validation would be the same, making the stop bigger. So, yeah, let's be done with this area.
Mm-hmm. At open. A suggestion is to stop scaring myself out of trades.
Can I take this one, Mo?
Yep. I'll put that on the screen for you. Go ahead.
No, I mean, the thing with scaring yourself out of the trade happens when you don't have enough confidence in your trading plan and in your setup. There's always gonna be ebbs and flows in the market. There's gonna be, you know, like we saw those that push up that happened before, but you know, Mo and I stayed in the trade because we were sure of what we were seeing in the chart. I mean, if the trade would pass our invalidation, that would invalidate our trade, not our just how can I say, the invalidation is at a point that that's what it does. It invalidates your trade idea, not just, you know, it's I want to secure this amount of points because I'm scared not to lose it, if that makes sense. The market will always do what it wants to do. You cannot control that.
Yep.
I hope I didn't fumble the answer too much.
No, it makes sense. He says it makes sense, so that works. Let's see what. Let's see if I can see. Okay.
It's the same thing, I think, at the open. You know, you have sellers defending 420. We can see the price very clearly, and we have buyers defending 370. Once one of those areas breaks, and I mean, not a fake out, a real breakout, then the direction for the day is set. Might be because of earnings, it might be because of news, it might be because there was something about a 50-50 chance of a rate cut in May, blah blah blah, but we just trade the chart. Things are still red. The problem is we took shorts at that level and they got stopped out.
Yeah, this is where the fight is happening here. This will decide this area right here in between these two, the 4 hour close and this. Actually, I would say, yeah, right there. Let me circle that, just so I can see it. Just like
I would
DC
say
was.
4 hour low.
Yeah.
Previous 4 hour low. Yeah.
Where's my little brush? There it is. Yeah, so I would say right here. From here to here. This is the range we're in. And whoever wins this range wins the day. Exactly what DC was saying. There's a little visual behind what he was saying so you guys can see it. Okay, let's see. Which indicator is below the surge indicator? So this one right here is called the, yeah, I'll pop up the name. It's called the probability oscillator. I use this one for two things. One, to give me probability of direction, and two, with the right setting, it can also give you help on a trigger for entry. Did I spell that right? We're still playing in this nice little zone that DC has called out for us. Uh,
Man, it's uncanny. Just break something already.
it's like, I refuse. I'm gonna stay right here. You know, all days. Today, my neighbor decides to cut a big tree down.
I hope it doesn't fall in your yard.
Yeah. If this stream suddenly goes off, we know what was taken out. All the power and internet was taken out.
Okay, so new 30-minute, 15-minute candle.
It is 10:30. This is how you know it's very, very intense price action, because this is a 30-second chart and you're seeing a bunch of wicks for 30 seconds. That's here it goes again. It just popped right back up.
How much you wanna bet this time 450 is gonna break? 415.
Let me see something. Hold on. Let me just make sure.
If we were gambling. If we were gambling to pass the time.
Let's see. 415. No, not yet. No, I wouldn't. Not just yet. I would need to see some, because the strict candles would need to come off. Need to click off. Let's see. I have been wrong before. Technically, I'm wrong 70% of the time, so.
Take everything Mo says with a huge grain of salt.
Yes, 70% chance that it could be wrong, so just keep that in mind.
And still we manage to make money every day.
Yeah. Which is insane. Like, I don't understand. Like, it works. I just don't understand how that math works. But because when we are right, those 30% of the time, it's usually for a long period. Like, it's when we're wrong, it's only, I would say, 10, 20 points. If we're right, it's 40, 50.
Yeah.
Oh, well, look at that. It just happens to be ping-ponging again.
Wait for it. Oh. Okay. This might change stuff, but...
Yeah, South, okay. You read as much information as I do, man.
That's interesting. That's interesting. That's interesting. Let's see which side fails.
The way this is going, both.
I mean, it can either break to the upside or to the downside. There's only two possibilities. I mean,
You got a 50% chance of being 70% wrong. So,
yep. But what I want to say is, you see how interested the money zones behave in this situation, in the sense that it keeps going lower, right?
mhm.
That's why I said maybe not this time, but on the next push up, it keeps going lower, but price, it's just like it has a wall at 370. It cannot move lower. So basically, it gets closer to and closer and closer to the price. So it's becomes easier and easier to break to the upside.
Oh, okay. That's a good way to look
I
at
mean,
it, probability wise.
it's like it's in a range, and the range
Yeah,
keeps tightening.
yeah.
So one side has to give.
So it's either going to give, meaning break it, or give and release it down, right?
Exactly. Yeah, it's like a volcano, like just boiling.
That's a good way of looking at it, man. That's something new.
Well, I mean, every day market gives you opportunities to learn new things.
By the way, YM is is trending short,
Oh, he's
um,
back. Hello.
and ES is actually about to be trending short soon. Now, actually, well, actually, ES is trending short now.
Good to know. Good to know.
Nasdaq is, kind of like I told Mo this morning before we hopped on live. Today's gonna be a difficult day.
I would say it's always a difficult day. I mean, yes, there are days when price just does nothing, and those are difficult by default. But always there are difficult days when you don't get the direction right.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, you guys.
It's the same thing. Look at this DC. This is amazing. The only thing is, though, let me see. Oh, let's see.
Ah, come on! I didn't catch it. I didn't catch it. I wanted 370 because the stop would be so big, and now you would be already 20 points up. Didn't catch it. I didn't have even my shortcuts ready.
Ooh, okay. I see that. I like that one too. 1, 2, 3, boom. Here it comes. Now this is exciting. I want to see if it actually can flip it.
That's why I wanted to bet, but
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
unfortunately we did another leg down, but it's still the same play. It's not like we did a new low to change the story.
Yeah. It just took a breather and then.
Yeah, and if you have the awesome volume on the algo, which shows you exhausted volume, at the bottom you had exhausted bears.
Yeah.
Which you didn't have before. So
that's
like,
this
okay,
right here.
We're gonna give it one more push, and then let's go. Oh no.
And
That's
there
why
it
I
goes.
wanted 370 so much, man. Okay, well.
If we can't have a candle that opens, closes high and low above 420 on the 5 minute, I don't think the longs are going to play out today. The only way the longs play out in my mind is if we get a strong candle close above that 420 area.
And the reason why I wanted 370 as an entry is because now that the money zone is so low, I needed space. Because this was a TP1, TP2 type of trade, being counter. And needed space to reach TP1 before you reach your obstacle. So even if you know, the indicators, they will not be that fast, but seeing the price action for the past 40 minutes we've been in this range since the 4 hours started, that was the smartest entry with the least amount of risk. And it still holds. This is so awesome.
I took a short.
Did you?
Yeah, I took it. The setup was there. It was literally, this didn't break down.
Yeah,
One, two,
it is.
three. Everything is still red. So now I have the 5 second evidence line here to get that. I like it because it gives that, feels like it gives a little extra boost to my confidence. Now I'm risk free. Let's see what it does. Move this.
Let's go. Okay. Okay. Nice little scalp right here on the break of 370.
Ooh.
Okay, that was a little bit stressful. You could feel the tension in my voice, which was very quiet.
Yes. If you listen very carefully, you could hear teeth grinding in the background. Let's see.
Everything actually says the probabilities are the low is gonna break, but who knows? I mean, watching the 15-minute candles, but who knows? We can only calculate the probabilities.
See what's happening in this one.
However, imagine the joy on those bears when finally the bottom gives way.
Where are we on that? There. Where Where's that? 340. Okay. Oh. How much time is left? Okay, this is a new 15-minute. Oh, there we go. It's a nice little tumble down. Come on, give me my TP. Let's go.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yes. Ah, I'm sorry. Were my steers grinding again? Again, exhausted volume, which is not something you want to see at the bottom. But okay, well, I better be done because this is very dangerous. I'm gonna give it this 15-minute candle and then probably gonna call it a day. Okay, fine. How this 15-minute candle closes is very important.
How much time is left on it?
8 minutes around.
8 minutes.
I want to see if we get a bullish statement, or we're still not done ranging statement. You see how many Gabby buy buttons we have, and they didn't work.
Okay. That one's still going. Here.
4 minutes left.
Mm-hmm.
Not interesting.
Yeah, because it's also like 11 o'clock, so that's when the next.
Hour, yes. Well, if we close here, it's very bullish. You out of the short, Mo?
Yeah, I'm out of the short.
This is the part where the cloud might get interested. Again, the money zone on the 30 seconds wants to flippity flop, which is good. Let's see if it closes like that.
It's fighting here.
Well, yeah, but we flipped the money zone, so it's okay. Surge is ongoing. Let's see what happens when it finishes.
Alright, let's see what it wants to do.
Oh yes, that's very bullish. Okay.
Alright.
Closed nicely above all those wicks.
Okay, we are inside the 1 minute money zone. Yellow TPO's in here. Let's see if we can. It's out of my eyes. Strict candles are off, which is good. IVD showing bearish weakness, which is good.
Very nice. Ooh.
Get a buy signal on the 1 minute. Another good sign. Whoa, okay.
Nice, nice. Go. 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 I'm long at the open this of this hour.
Okay.
Just scalping.
Mhm.
It's not. It's an entry in the middle of the surge, but I noticed that after we opened, we just retested the 420. We couldn't even go below it. I said, okay, validation is small enough that it deserves a chance. And now we are 20. Let's call it 20 points up. 1 minute money zone. We broke through it very easily. We're inside the 3 minute money zone. Just trailing stop as I see fit. Because when this surge will finish, and I don't have time for another proper entry. That's the level that we're gonna encounter some problems. Yes, indeed you do. It's a double whammy. Okay, let's... If we can tighten it more. If we can tighten it more, it will be very nice.
IVD background turned off.
25 points. Ooh. Let's not get greedy. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, very good. 25 points, 2 minutes. Not complaining. I think I'm done. I'm really done. I'm really done. Really done. I promise. Turning everything off. This thing is gone. Seems like it wants to fly. See, that's why I took profit. Know your levels, know your locations. That's all. Well, this was fun. I think I'm done for the week actually.
Yeah, so there's not going to be a live tomorrow. Um, I will not be on tomorrow, so there's no live tomorrow. And I think Monday, check the Discord because it's Martin Luther King Day here in the U.S. So the markets might have like special hours. So
No, they have. Top
they
Step
do have
already
special hours.
posted. The Top Step, let me find it in the Top Step channel. Um, no, announcements, I think. Yeah, so 12 p.m. Central, early close on Monday.
Okay, so I think that's a 1 p.m. on Eastern. Well, just check the Discord for announcements. Most likely, we won't be trading on Monday, but just check the Discord for announcements. And also on this YouTube channel, I'll post it if there is going to be a live or not. Till then, it was a good trading day. You just had to stay disciplined. There was opportunities. Um, even if today wasn't a 100-point day, during this call, there were still opportunities. DC, anything you want to say in closing?
I think I have a question in the chat.
Yes, go ahead. I'll post it on the. There you go. Go ahead, DC.
On the last one. So, like I said, it was setting up. I saw it from the beginning. Man, this is ripping. I saw it from the beginning as a scalp because I knew I wouldn't have time to wait for my setup. The candles, money zone flipped. We saw the money zone flip at the end of the last 15-minute candle. We saw the 15-minute candle close very, very, very bullish. First of all, inside 420, which was an area that we talked about all throughout the live, and also the candle had a wick on the bottom and it closed like very, very, very bullish with almost no wick to the top. So that was a very bullish sign. And when the other candle opened, like I said, we retested 420, we could stay above it, and that was the entry.
Awesome. All right, guys. So everyone enjoy your weekend. If you trade tomorrow, just remember, be disciplined. Trade what's on your chart. If you have any questions, please don't forget to put them into the Discord. We have a general chat area for those who are in indicators or mentorship, and we have a free chat area for those who are not. And if you want videos on any of these indicators, check out the Discord. You can sign up. There's going to be ways that you can see all these indicators in action in people's setups. I think that's for free, by the way, to see them in action. And then you want to be a part of it, sign up. If you put in promo code mindset for the indicators when you're buying them, mindset, you get a discount off your first month. All right. Until then, for Cloud, for DC, my name's Moji. Everyone have a great weekend. We'll see you next week. Take care, everybody.
Bye, guys.